In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily upload an Excel file to Canva, a simple yet powerful task that can help you incorporate your data into stunning designs. Let's dive in step by step so you can master this process in no time. First, what you want to do is head over to your Canva homepage. This is essentially the digital workspace where all your creative projects are born. So fire up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Canva homepage. Make sure you're logged into your Canva account. If not, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This is, of course, assuming you've already got a Canva account. If you don't, it's free to sign up and only takes a moment. Now, once you're on your Canva home, it's time to start the upload process. You'll want to look for the button labeled Create. It's typically situated somewhere at the top of the page, easy to spot. Click on this and watch a drop-down menu appear before your eyes. From this list of options, you want to select Upload. This is where Canva makes it simple and straightforward for anyone to bring in external files to work with, whether they're images, documents, or spreadsheets like the one we're focusing on today. After selecting Upload, another set of options should appear. One of these will be Upload Files. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up, allowing you to browse through the files on your computer. Take a moment to locate your Excel file. Depending on how you've organized your files, this could be a breeze or it might take a second. Once you find the Excel file you intend to upload, select it. You can either double-click it or click once on the file and then hit Open. Both actions will initiate the upload, and that, my friends, is it. Once you've completed those simple steps, you're done. The Excel file is now successfully imported into Canva, ready for you to use in any of your design projects. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. With your data now in the Canva ecosystem, you can start transforming it into visually appealing graphics and charts, enhancing your presentations or any other creative project you're working on. This seamless integration lets you add a whole new dimension to how you present your data, improving both aesthetic appeal and clarity. So the next time you're working on a project, remember how effortless it is to bring your Excel data into Canva and make your information pop. Try it out for yourself and see just how transformative this simple process can be for your designs.